Here we have part of the curve y equals sine x, and we can see that we have a shaded area between x is 0 and x is pi. We want to find the shaded area, giving an exact answer. We know for area that we do the integral between the limits of y dx. So therefore we have the integral from 0 to pi of sine x dx, since we know the curve is y is sine x. If we integrate sine x, we get minus cos x from 0 to pi. Substituting pi in, we get minus cos pi, and then substituting 0 in, we get minus cos 0. Cos pi is minus 1, so minus minus 1 is 1. The minus minus here makes a plus, and the cosine of 0 is 1. So our area is 2 square units.